Good morning, YouTube family. It's Satoshi Boomin here, coming with you with another daily Bitcoin news video. Subscribe, like, comment. We got daily videos here. Let's get on to the story. Bitcoin price crisscrosses in 9K as Peter Schiff warns of a collapse. If you don't know who Peter Schiff is, he is some sort of a gold bug. What that means is he is a gold maxi. He believes in gold. He doesn't like Bitcoin. 2009, he's been talking crap about Bitcoin, and he's been wrong each and every time. So let's move on. Bitcoin rose to 9K again on May 6th as the mission to create new support levels continued, and you can see there, I think it dipped a little bit, but then went back up. Bitcoin doing well, even with the 6K dip. That happened a month ago. So yeah. Let's take a look at the one-day charts here, and I think we're hovering about right here as this video is being made, right above 9K. I have a prediction that we're gonna go to 12K before the halving, and that's only a few days away. That's not impossible, like that is extremely likely. Schiff lambasts having impact. The FUD is real. Guys, before I get on to this, when Bitcoin goes up to 15, 16, 17K, the FUD is going to be unreal. People are just going to be coming out of the woodwork talking about, oh, Bitcoin needs to go down. Oh, it's too high. It's a bubble. Blah, blah, blah. Just stack sats, guys. Don't even listen to that crap, because those people have been wrong each and every time. Nonetheless, regular detractors have continued to sow doubt about the market's real prospects. Among them was gold fanatic Peter Schiff, who Tuesday predicted that Bitcoin would soon collapse. I've seen this guy before talk crap about Bitcoin. In 10 years, I am not going to be surprised if he has more Bitcoin than we had previously thought. That this man has been stacking Bitcoin since 2009, and then it comes out that he's like a mega trillionaire because he has all this Bitcoin and all these altcoins. So that's how it typically happens. The people who hate Bitcoin the most secretly have a stash of it. So Warren Buffett, Peter Schiff, I'm looking at you. Schiff also took aim at the theory that the upcoming block subsidy having would fuel a Bitcoin rising price. A consensus trade is crowded and usually doesn't pan out as the crowd projects. I can't think of a more consensus trade than Bitcoin being long going into the halving, an event that is universally believed to be bullish. So once the halving occurs, who's left to buy? As Cointelegraph reported, the latest incarnation of the popular stock-to-flow price forecasting model predicts that by 2024, Bitcoin will trade at a giant $288,000 and could double that figure or more. Yeah, I mean, it's not me saying it, guys. I'm just some guy on YouTube. The models, the stock-to-flow models, the charts, the projections, they all lead to these numbers, these huge numbers. Now, can the projections be wrong? Absolutely. I'm expecting a 50K Bitcoin by 2022 and, a slow rise upwards, maybe a 70K Bitcoin once we get to the next halving is reasonable. That might even be a little bit too lofty. Maybe a 50K Bitcoin, maybe even a 20K Bitcoin by the next halving, because if you think about it, Bitcoin for miners is profitable up to $14,000 to $15,000. So that's a huge range if the models are correct. So who knows, but Bitcoin going to zero, don't think that's gonna happen, and Bitcoin having to dump back down to 3 or whatever these crazy people are saying is just wrong. So we shall see. I'm excited. I know you guys are excited. Yeah. In news that pissed me off, Dutch central bank to crypto firms register in 2 weeks or shut down. Whose mans is this? Who voted these people in? Who voted the central bank in? I don't understand how they get to make monetary policy. Who are these people? They control everything. They control all the money, and some speculate that they actually control the government, which I think is possible. The president's boss is the central bank. They own everything. But who elected these people? I didn't. They weren't on my voting ballot. I'm sure people in wherever Dutch is. I'm sorry, but I've only lived in America my whole life, so I don't know what's. Anyway, they didn't vote these people in. So why are they trying to stifle capitalism? It's under the guise of anti-money laundering. Let's take a look at the article. Dutch cryptocurrencies must register with the Netherlands Central Bank by May 18th or cease operations immediately, the monetary authority said. Whose monetary authority? Whose? I didn't vote for these people. I didn't put my money in this particular bank. Why are they telling me what to do with it? It's un-American. Well, I guess not an American. America, so I guess that's okay. DNB is moving quickly to enforce the Dutch anti-money laundering laws. Ooh, yeah, that word there. That's a FUD word that banks like to use in order to dissuade people from using cryptocurrency, which passed the Dutch Parliament last month to comply with European Union's AML directives standards set by the Financial Action Task Force. DNB's speedy regulatory flex, the Dutch upper house passed its amended fourth anti-money laundering directive laws on April the 21st. Threatens firms that convert crypto and fiat or offer crypto custody services with immediate cease and desist orders if they do not register by the deadline. Crypto to crypto companies need not register. Guys, this is all about control, dominating the money. They want to know where the money's going. They don't want to be left behind. They don't want people taking their money out of this scam and putting it into something that's actually real, like crypto. This central bank shit is a scam. A complete scam. They can print your money to oblivion, and then once they do that, they can say, "Oh, we don't have your money anymore. You can't get your money out of the bank, or you can only get $100 out of the bank." But it's my money. What do you mean? No, it's actually our money. We set the monetary policy. We could print trillions of dollars on a dime. And there's nothing you could do about it because we make the rules. And if we make the rules, we control the money. And if we control the money, we could control the people. I don't think it should work like that. And that's why we need Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. That's why you need to go down below, like, comment, and subscribe so you can win a Nano Ledger S, so you could be your own bank. Dutch central bank telling people to shut down. What does this world come to, guys? See, at first, in 2009, 2010, 2011, the Dutch banks didn't care about crypto. Oh yeah, that techie BS. We don't care about that. Now that people are starting to make some money with it, some real money, now all of a sudden we need regulations. And I see some people on this YouTube here talking about regulations are good. What? Are you should just sign up, apply to the central bank. Just go apply to the central bank. What are you talking about, dude? This is decentralized finance. Yes, there are scams out there. Yes, there are people being dumb with their satoshis. And yes, there are money laundering schemes. But it's up to the retail investor to do their own research. This is the Wild West. This isn't stocks. Okay, there are no protections if you lose your money here. That's why crypto is not for the faint of heart. But neither is the world. So Take that for what you want. In better news, 9 countries show huge growth in cryptocurrency interest, according to CoinMarketCap. Now, guys, I've been talking about this in each and every one of my videos ad nauseum. Countries other than America want cryptocurrency. They want cryptocurrency all around the world. Young people want cryptocurrency. Heck, my mom even asked how to buy some Bitcoin. So this stuff is taking over, guys. Whether you want it to or not, I suggest you hop on the train before you get left behind. CoinMarketCap has revealed the top countries with the largest increase in the number of users. One segment shows that the most user growth in the first quarter include India, Pakistan, Colombia, Canada, and Nigeria. Countries with the most female user growth include Greece and Romania. We talked about females in crypto. We need you ladies in crypto. I will keep saying this until my vocal cords burst. We need more women in crypto. We need more women influencers in crypto. Ladies know how to rally other ladies to their cause. We can see that with different crypto movements, different YouTube movements, internet movements, TikTok movements. So ladies, please learn about cryptocurrency. Be your own bank. Take control of your own finances. It's extremely important. Don't leave it up to somebody else. Don't leave it up to your husband. Don't leave it up to your financial advisor. You are responsible for your money. Leading cryptocurrency prices and market data provider CoinMarketCap published a report Friday highlighting the crypto market and user trends for the first quarter of the year. The company explained that the data analyzed from the proprietary market capitalization data and user insights from our massive user base. The first quarterly growth of 43.24% of its female users on its website, and the other 46.04 quarterly growth of its youth users ages 18 through 24. In relation to the youth segment, age 18 to 24, the continent of Oceania saw the biggest percentage jump of over 151.95, followed by Africa with 91.47. Exactly this, guys, is what Bitcoin and crypto was created for, okay? For these people. I don't know how life is in Oceania. I don't even know where Oceania is. But we're not going to talk about that. But I'm sure because of this spike, they need it. In Africa, they definitely need crypto and Bitcoin. And they need some infrastructure too in certain parts. But, you know, that's why I'm trying to get rich. I want to bring Bitcoin and crypto to disaffected people. That's my life goal. 43% increase in female users. Greece up 164%. That is amazing. The number of female users has also risen substantially in the first quarter. While we have consistently seen an increase in female users, the segment saw a particularly strong growth of 43.24% into the previous quarter. Within the female user segment, Americas and European regions grew more than 50% of users. That is amazing, guys. Ladies, keep it up. Keep up the good work. And down below here, women users in the first quarter, Greece led the pack with 163.67%, Romania 145%, Argentina 98%, Portugal, and you can read the list there. Furthermore, the company found a 41% increase in users older than 65. Guys, if you don't think crypto is the future, I mean, I got an oceanfront property in Arizona to sell you because I mean, the proof is in the pudding here, guys. You just got to look at it. You got to do your own research, and Just in life, you get a few opportunities, especially if you live in a developed nation. You get a few opportunities to change your life for the better. And it's up to you to take those opportunities. Whether it be moving out of your hometown, whether it be taking that job in another state, but you want to stay with your family. It's a lot of opportunities that people pass up because of comfort, because they don't understand. But it's about doing things, getting outside your comfort zone, and learning new things. And I think that crypto is going to facilitate the biggest transfer of wealth in history. And we'll get to that in another video. I'm running short on time here, so let's move on. Charles Hoskinson, the man, the myth, the legend, the CEO of Input Output Hong Kong, the CEO of Cardano, explains how Cardano could get to $1 trillion market cap. I would surely love that. In a recent interview, Ethereum co-founder and Cardano ADA founder Charles Hoskinson explained why he believes Cardano is poised for $1 trillion market cap. So my whole argument for academic rigor is not just about today, it's about tomorrow with two different respects. It's about tomorrow from the respect that we could get protocols that can scale to billions of users. There are no protocols in the world right now that allow us to do that. So they have to be designed. Who will come up with the protocols 5 years from now, 10 years from now, 15 years from now? Are we going to always have the genius founder around? No. So when quantum computers come alive, we have defenses against that. When we start doing things with on satellites, we have protocols for that. When we wanted things to work on a cell phone with the same user experience and recursive snarks, and it doesn't have to be built by one company or a party. It could come out of the academic world in a very decentralized way. So I think this is the long-term superior approach and the only approach that will actually get us to the protocol of 1 billion people. And he goes on, getting to $1 trillion market cap. First key point is that everybody under the age of 35, you take a cross-section of them, statistically speaking, from McKinsey, and these other people are more likely to own a cryptocurrency than a bond, stock, or gold. So investor interest in this asset class is biased towards the young. As the young get older, they get richer. Indeed, like I said earlier, guys. Transfer of wealth. Biggest transfer of wealth. Older folks are dying. They're leaving their homes vacant and empty. As a younger person, I get older, I make more money, I start buying assets, and the cycle continues. With crypto, we could accelerate that because, we're not tied to stock markets and, other gobbledygook. So, let's continue. Eventually, states will run their voting systems. Eventually, states will where their property registration, all these things. So the fact that these systems exist, they're doing these things, creates more inflow and value. Third, regulations are getting set that institutional investors can finally put their money in our industry, which brings billions of new dollars in investments. I think we're best positioned to capture the largest chunk long term. Wow, I can't read today. Now, whether that happens 5, 10, 50 years, a whole bunch of things could occur, accelerate, put brakes on our entire movement. And yes, so Cardano definitely thinks we can get to $1 trillion market cap. I definitely agree. Do I think Cardano's the Ethereum killer? Who knows? They need to release Shelly. I need to start staking, and then I can make that determination. But Charles Hoskinson, the GOAT, the man, the myth, the legend, $1 trillion market cap. We shall see. And I want to thank everybody who stuck it out to the end of this video. Really appreciate you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. These videos are, you know, awesome to make. I love making these videos, but you know, I'd like a little bit of you know, some positive reinforcement down below. So please like, please subscribe. It really helps me out. It makes me want to get up and do these videos every day. So yeah, Bitcoin block having a reward. 5 days, guys, 11 hours. I'm super stoked, super excited. You know, same stuff every day. Not gonna really get into that. Let's move on to the markets. And yeah, like I mentioned earlier, we had a brief pump above 9K. Looks like we're holding steady. Ethereum's looking good at about 208. Anything under a $200 Ethereum is a fire sale. Anything under a $300 Ethereum in my book is a very good sale. XRP is still doing well. Bcash is doing a lot better than I thought it would. ADA is up 3%. I like to see that. Finally cleared 5 cents. That's excellent. How's my VeChain doing? Let's take a look. VeChain up 3%. Hopefully we could cross over that 0.005 cent mark. Maybe we could do that with a decent push upwards to 10K on a Bitcoin run. Let's take a look at some pump and dumps. Redcoin, wow. Chili's. That is, I heard about Redcoin a couple weeks ago and I didn't think much of it, but that's pretty awesome for all your Redcoin holders. Alright guys, I think that's it. So you all have a wonderful day and I will talk to you tomorrow.